Alright guys, so this week our stay brought us to the IHG Holiday Inn in Oldham, Greater Manchester. Now, this particular property that we're staying at today possesses a storied history, having first opened in the 1980s as the Smoky's Grill roadside cafe. Over the decades though, the venue evolved into a primary social hub for the region, famously featuring a bustling nightclub, but in 1985 it did expand into the Smoky's Park Hotel before its recent transformation in 2022 when it was rebranded as an IHG property under Elanis Hotels, now boasting 73 modernised rooms. Now, our room that we booked is a standard king-size room. It's room 109, and upon entering, one is immediately struck by the proper cosy and warm atmosphere. Oh yes indeed. This is further enhanced by that new laminate flooring. I would say that the layout is practical. We have a large scale dressing mirror that sits to the right, with the bathroom situated to the left. Now, this king-size room is well appointed with modern climate control, so you've got heating and air conditioning. And I do like the fact that this room has that Oldham imagery aesthetic. I would say that the seating options are quite ample, including this wraparound chair. It is quite comfy. And a desk chair placed just over here under that desk opposite the bed. I suppose, yeah, you could sit here and maybe do a bit of work should you wish. And that desk does lead right over to the tea and coffee area just here. Hang on, there's only one cup and two people. The kettle is quite simply a travel kettle. It certainly is quite clean. But do we get a fridge? Damn it, nope, just a luggage hold. The bed, as mentioned, is a king-size bed. This is massive, and you do get some cosy bedside lamps, a pretty solid padded headboard. Yeah, bedding looks okay for now. But adjacent to the bed, you have this open style wardrobe area with a safe, hairdryer, they do offer dry cleaning at the IHD hotel, obviously at a price. But nevertheless you get an iron and ironing board. Dust test? Yeah, there is a bit in non-reach areas. And what's good is we do get dedicated phone charging capabilities next to the bed. And that's the same on the opposite side of the bed too. The view out of the window, to be honest, the view basically is off the car park. Pretty good silencing though, I must admit. It is pretty much peaceful in here. The TV is absolutely huge. It has silencing panels behind it, which is quite considerate and thoughtful. But is it a smart TV though? It is. So you do get options on here, like YouTube. That's a quite good channel to subscribe to, I think. Go ahead and do that just now if you want. And the IHG Holiday Inn in Oldham, with this TV, does benefit from super fast internet connection, and they do offer complimentary newspapers, podcasts and ebooks. By the way, I forgot to mention that this room does offer room service. You obviously have to pay a service charge, so you can have dinner and breakfast sent to the room, or if you want a bite to eat, you can simply go down the corridor to the restaurant. Let's get an extra toast to that. Now let's go over and check the bathroom out. The bathroom is really bright. It has that beautiful polished mirror to the left. Got some mouthwash cups. I've said this quite a few times, I'm going to use this for my wine later on, yes. Although, one thing I will say is that the extractor fan, certainly needs cleaning. We got a few man tissues here. We do have Soak superfood skincare, like hand and body wash. And the toilet tissue is on point. Hang on.
What is that?
Has this room actually been cleaned? Yep, we do get a floating toilet seat. That's also on point. And in this bathroom, we get a bath and shower combination with those nice entrancing tiles on the wall. We've got that push to start shower with more of those Soak shampoos adjacent. Now, this king-size hotel room, in general, is very welcoming. It has cosy mood lighting, but I'd personally think that in this room, well, certain parts have actually been missed by the housekeeper, which momentarily I had to go and report certain issues to the management, like dirt on the carpet as we entered. One thing I would say is that the management went above and beyond. They personally attended to us straight away, and not only that, I was surprised when they came over to us while we was having dinner with complimentary wine, issued us with free breakfast on the house for the next day, and not only that, later on informed us that we was entitled to a late checkout. That's because we had to wait those 30 minutes for our room to be re-cleaned. Now, we did wait in the restaurant area. Again, we had something to eat, and when it came to that lovely dinner, I must say it was very delicious, with juicy steak and peppercorn sauce, with a side of chips and chicken. Prices again quite reasonable in this hotel. Some of the other amenities that the IHG offers, they do benefit from a lounge. Apparently it has a sauna, fitness studio, function and event spaces for around about 300 guests, you know, for like wedding functions. Now, before returning to our room, we did get an apology from a very friendly receptionist, and this is where we got granted that late checkout, which is complimentary, and not only that, they told us that we didn't have to come out of our room for the breakfast in the morning, as it will be indeed delivered. Free of charge, wow. Which, by the way, tasted awesome. Now, we didn't force this on management, we were surprised by this first-class customer service, and it was definitely very much appreciated by myself and my partner. I would say my time here at the IHG Holiday Inn in Oldham was spot on. Even though it was inconvenience with a bit of dirt in our room, it was handled professionally by the staff, and based upon this, I will definitely come back real soon. I might check out a more expensive room in fact. The room is quite cosy, silent, we didn't have annoying guests next door. I would say for £67 for a king size room on a Saturday night, the stay represented exceptional value. While there were minor lapses in housekeeping, the level of respect and above and beyond service recovery from the staff made it a truly cosy and welcoming getaway. The IHG in Oldham personally is certainly worth a look for those seeking a spot-on stay in Greater Manchester. Now, what I've done, I've left the link in the video description down below. If you want to check this particular hotel out, take a look at the amenities, but if you stayed at this particular hotel, why not comment and tell us about your stay? And if you're below this video just now, why not quickly select that like button? Sharing's caring, and not only that, subscribe to us just now, it's free to do so. We need all of the support, bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys will stay updated when we upload our next hotel review. Now, I hope this quick review has been quite helpful today, and in the meantime, why not check out 2 of these previous hotel reviews showing on screen just now, and I hope to see you guys on our very next video. Peace.